holidays to all of you and welcome back to my channel, Haitian Dining with Marie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Labouyi Bannann, also known as plantain porridge. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button below and let's get to it. Here are today's ingredients. 1 large plantain, 3 cups of water, 1 cup whole milk mixed with cup of water, 3 sticks of cinnamon, 6 star anise, half teaspoon salt, 1 cup sugar, 1 can evaporated milk, 1 tablespoon vanilla, 1 tablespoon almond extract, 1 teaspoon nutmeg powder, and 1 tablespoon of regular butter. Now I'm removing the edges of the plantain and cut it into small pieces. Now I'm adding the cinnamon, the star anise, and the salt into the boiling water. I'm going to start blending the plantain. Now I'm adding the milk and let it blend for 1 minute. I'm going to strain the plantain mixture. After 10 minutes has passed, I'm adding the plantain mixture to the boiling water. This part is very important. Make sure you stir it to prevent any lumps. This is how the consistency should look like after stirring it well for 10 minutes. I'm adding the rest of the ingredients. This is the final result. Bon appétit! Thanks everyone for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below of what Haitian dish I should do next time. Thank you. Bye bye.